Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon not dry. We'll cover essential steps from preparation to cooking, ensuring your salmon is always moist and delicious. Getting perfectly cooked salmon is easier than you think, and these simple techniques will elevate your home cooking. You'll learn how to achieve that flaky, tender texture every time, making dry salmon a thing of the past. Let's dive in. Proper preparation is key to moist salmon. Seasoning not only adds flavor but can also help create a protective crust. A simple marinade, even for a short time, can infuse moisture and prevent dryness. Allowing the fish to come to room temperature ensures it cooks more uniformly, avoiding overcooked edges and a raw center. These small steps make a big difference.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking advice. On another note, if you're looking to change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly transform your financial perspective. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Choosing the right cooking method is crucial. Pan-searing creates a beautiful, crispy skin while keeping the inside tender. Baking is a gentle method that locks in moisture, especially when done at the correct temperature. Always use a thermometer to check for doneness. Aiming for 145 degrees Fahrenheit ensures it's perfectly cooked, not overcooked. Don't guess, measure. Once cooked, don't forget the finishing touches. Resting the salmon allows the internal juices to settle, resulting in a more tender and flavorful bite. A squeeze of fresh lemon or a light sauce adds brightness and prevents any perceived dryness. Finally, a simple garnish not only makes your dish look professional but also adds a fresh aromatic element. Enjoy your perfectly cooked salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.